Hi, I'm Dale.
And I'm Michael.
And welcome to
Spotted Motors.
Today we are at 11-year-old Dylan's house because we are here to look at his absolutely incredible Rover. Now, I'm a big Rover fan, aren't I, Michael?
Absolutely incredible. I'm not so sure.
So I'm very excited about this. It's a car that I once owned. Not this car, but I owned this model of car many, many years ago. So I'm very excited to have a look around it. Michael, again.
That's pretty cool. It is pretty cool, and you don't see a lot of them now.
No, you don't at all. So yeah, we'll stop with them on, and we'll let Dylan do the talking. And Dylan's going to show around it and show us the work that's required because
good bits and the not so good bits.
Yeah. So hi Dylan. First off, how we doing?
Good.
Brilliant, and we are very excited. Dale's very excited to have a look around your Rover. So we think that you are better telling us the make, the model, the year, everything about it, because I think you know a little bit more about this car than both me and Michael put together. So
yeah,
here we go.
So it's a Rover 213 SE.
Yep.
It's got a 1.3 litre Honda engine.
And what year is this one?
1984.
1984.
84, it's all the run.
Yeah, dear me. And how long have you owned it now?
I've got it September last year.
Yeah. And what was your intentions with it? Did you just see it and want it, or did you want to get it on the road, or did you just want to own one?
At the time I just wanted it, but I do want to get it on the road now.
Yeah, I like it. So, where should we start? Do you want to start showing us the inside of it?
Yeah, probably the best bit.
Look at that interior.
No, look at that.
In the true Rover style look, we've got a bit of walnut, haven't we? Beautiful walnut. See, I'm a big Rover fan, mate, so this is me all over.
I'm very excited about this.
Look at that as well. It's got Rover sill plates on. Very nice. And what about what sort of any creature comforts inside? See, it's got the wind down windows.
Yeah, not much really.
Pretty basic.
A cassette player which doesn't work.
But it is a 5-speed.
Yes, these also came in a 3-speed automatic.
5-speed's quite a big shout.
62,000 miles, so not a lot of miles really, considering its age.
And it's got a rev counter. So I've done a quick battery change on the camera, so back to where we were. Little coin tray though, that's a nice little feature. Don't get that in cars anymore, do you?
One other thing you probably don't get now in cars as well is a manual shot.
We did ask you not to interrupt, so you got the dog out. Right, so, hang on.
Manual shot, isn't it? Oh, that's nice.
Yes, of course it has.
Right, so the battery on the camera went flat, then the dog got out. So where were we? We were interior.
Yes, inside.
Inside.
You were looking at the coin tray.
Yeah, we were looking at the coin tray, weren't we? And what did you say, Michael? Manual choke?
Manual choke, yeah.
Where is that? I want to get a little closer look at that.
On the inside of the steering wheel.
Let me have, I'm going to jump in. Oh, it's lovely in here. There it is there.
Seems a bit too far forward.
It's got a tilt steering wheel.
It moves a tiny bit.
Yeah, that's good. Plenty of heater vents. Original radio as well, that's a big thing.
Yes, and not from factory, but an Amazon Alexa.
Oh yeah.
There's a dash clock over there as well, which I'll show in a sec.
I really like it. I think it's really well trimmed out in here.
On the dash clock.
Oh, look at the dash clock,
If you
yeah.
wanted to sell it, Dylan, you've already got a buyer.
Look at that little digital clock there, Michael.
I'm turning it off before it flattens the battery because we already know that might happen soon.
It's lovely. Oh, I mean the seats are really wore well as well, haven't they? You don't get brown seats anymore, do you?
Brown on gold.
Yeah, brown on gold with a little bit of walnut.
A little touch of walnut.
Yeah, let's go around the passenger side.
I was going to go into the back.
Oh, let's go on the back. Let's have a little look at the back.
I'll pick the side door that's quick.
The squeaky door. And like I said, the interior is really nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
And again, a bit of walnut on the door on the back. Beautiful. It's an 80s noise, that door, isn't it? And as he pointed out, it's an SE. Ooh, see the little boot pop up there. Deep boot.
I know it's quite impressively big, isn't it?
Yeah, is it quite a deep build, that?
And that's one of the original floor mats.
Is it?
The only one. That floor mat's 38-year-old.
Wow. It's obviously got a spare wheel as well. Born in love. Oh,
Yeah, well, when I bought this, it was filled with water in there, in the
Yeah.
spare
Was it?
wheel well, and I have to hoover that all out.
Oh.
But it's luckily not rusty. So, I've had that spare wheel out once.
Do you have a look under the bonnet?
Yes, have a look at the bonnet.
Shows where magic is.
Do you call them a power plant?
I wonder what, do you know what brake horsepower it is doing?
75.
75.
75 horsepower?
Yeah.
Out of a 1.3?
Yeah.
In
good,
that,
isn't
that's
In 1984.
yeah, 1984. That's fantastic. That.
Cool, look at that.
It's carbureted as well.
Strange, isn't it? We've already had a look under here at the gearbox is on the driver's side.
Yeah.
The gearbox is on the left side as you look at it. No, I've never seen that before.
No, so normally, like you say, it's the gearbox is normally over there.
Over there,
Where
down
this
there.
it's over there. So it's quite a unique. It's
I've
a
never
unique
seen that
car.
before. I can't recall ever seeing that before.
No, if anyone knows of a car that has that.
Or the reason for it.
Yeah.
If there is a reason.
Should we start?
Yeah, give it a fire up. Where should I stand, at the front or the back, or
At the back.
at the back?
For the...
It looks beautiful in the sunlight.
We got the exhaust in view.
Oh yeah. He's laughing. He's pumping. Oh no.
That's it. Move back to the-
I'm good with the editor.
Right, coach. You can start recording. Go back to the back.
You might not need so many pumps with the throttle, it might be flooded.
That needs loads.
If
Takes about 20 sometimes.
Does it?
Yeah. especially if the weather's cold. But it's alright. It's like that. It's nicer weather today. Right, that's off.
He's pumping. Oh, it's gonna go. I was hoping for more smoke. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. Oh, that sounds good, doesn't it? Sounds really nice. Just sounds fit, doesn't it, Michael? Really impressed. It's got quite a nice exhaust note.
It was blown when I bought it. But barely has any exhaust on it. The entire exhaust had like holes in it all the way through.
Yeah. That sounds great. Really like that. Nice noise. So, we went over all the good bits that we like and how fantastic it sounds and how responsive it is on the revs. Unfortunately, should we go now show everyone the bits that need doing to it?
Yes. You gotta turn it off.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Right. You've probably noticed some bits already during the video, but we'll highlight them now.
That's not bad that though, is
That's
it?
not.
That's just 80s Rover, that. Nothing wrong with that. Little bit on the door bottom there.
A little bit more inside.
Oh. So we've got a little bit of rust there to address.
It's a little bit more than surface rust that as well.
Yeah.
It's all the way through.
Oh, is it?
Well, certain bits it is, yeah.
I can get
On
in
the
there.
other side, you can stick your finger through it. There's a huge hole on the other side.
Let's go have a look at the other side there.
Oh, and in there as well.
On the boot? Back in the boot, are we? Oh, yeah, it's all coming to life.
That's why you were saying, weren't you, Dylan, when you bought it, it was full of water in there.
Yes.
That explains that.
It'd been going down the back window, coming round here, and going straight in there.
Straight in there. And then just making itself a little puddle in the back.
It was it was absolutely.
At least it
fun.
hasn't rotted the floor out in the back.
No, the floor's solid.
I know, even in here it is. Look through there, through the hole there. The water was up to there.
Oh, now we've got another hole.
Is that like saying you can get your finger through then?
Yes.
Let's have a look, we don't believe you. Oh, yeah. And a little bit there.
You still want it to?
Yeah. Oh, it's got a hole here as well.
And it's like there's a bridge there.
It's an outlet.
Oh,
That was with a welder.
and another area. Show them in there.
Yeah. It's got a few bits, hasn't it, that need doing.
And the same thing round the other side.
Yeah, I've got that with it already. The same again on the door bottoms.
What just fell out of it? Oh, this is the worst arch, Dale. Wait, there's a big hole.
Yeah, I tried to get in there, but where the sunlight is, I can't really see it very well, but it's there, isn't it?
Yeah, it's there. Oh, it isn't there. There's not much there.
And it's a big shame that, isn't it? Because the rest of the car is
It's pretty
a
cool.
dream.
I'll be honest. It is
Yeah.
pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah. And like you say, you don't get cars in this colour anymore, you don't get interiors in that colour anymore, and it's just really a shame as well, because Rover's no more as well.
Apparently, I'm not sure if it's true, but when I bought it, the guy said it was one of only 4 left in the UK.
I can quite imagine that. Yeah.
In this SE model.
Yeah, I can quite imagine that.
Really?
Yeah.
That rare?
And look at the number plate as well, it's got where it's from, and that is the Austin sort of colours and logo, isn't it, there? So I like that a lot.
Yeah, and this is not made by Rover. Well, it's a Rover, but it's not made by Rover. It's British Leyland.
Yeah.
And I was looking, and I think it was in 1987 when Rover started making them. Like when Rover started as their own company.
Oh, yeah, I've got you.
I think it was
And that's why you're doing the talking today, because you know more about this
you
than
know a
what
lot
me and
more,
Michael do. But even stuff like the clear lenses as well for the indicators, you know, it's just little things like that, isn't it?
Oh, and another thing that we forgot.
Yeah.
Where are the hazards?
Where are the hazards?
Up here.
Oh,
on
yeah.
top of the steering column. Cool, isn't
Cool,
it?
yeah.
Really cool. Even the seatbelts are brown. Aren't they?
Everything's brown.
One of my favourite colours on a car is brown. I'd love a brown car. Little aluminium trim there as well on the armrests. Seen it? Aluminium and walnut.
Come on, dear, love it.
I'm loving it.
They've been extremely tight with the wood.
Yeah. Bit on the dash wouldn't have went amiss, would it? But overall, very impressed. I'm very impressed. I like it a lot. And if you do ever manage to get it on the road, I know I would. I would definitely love to go out for a spin in it. Absolutely love to.
You'll be one of the first people, probably.
I'll be at
I'll
the
be one
gate.
of the only people.
I'll be rattling the gate, asking. Right, we'll put the camera down. We'll say our goodbyes and our thank yous for your time. And yeah, it'd be great to see it again in a future video on Spottedmotors. It looks really good there. Look at Michael, he's warming to it now.
It's cool, isn't it?
It's really, really cool. I absolutely love it. Like I say, I'm a big fan of old Rovers, and this ticks all the boxes for me. So Dylan, I'm so pleased that you actually Where did you buy it from anyway?
It was in Sunderland.
Oh, okay.
And it was sat in someone's garden and it had been sat there, I think it was like 2.5, 3 years.
Oh, so you've rescued it in a way, because it would have just sat there and it would have
Yeah.
got worse and worse.
At least,
Yeah.
it's kept in a garage now, so
Yeah.
the rust won't get any worse.
No.
Hopefully it'll get fixed.
Yes, and I want to be the first person to find out when it is up and running. Well, not up and running, but on the road and able to drive around. So we'll be back with the camera for his first proper test drive. So yeah, Dylan, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for showing me and Michael around it and Spotted Motors around it. Hopefully the viewers will dig the Rover as well. And we start a whole new sort of thing with Spotted Motors.
The rusty Rover.
Yeah, the rusty Rover. Hope you don't mind us calling it the rusty Rover. So, Dylan, say bye, and I think we'll have another quick look around it, and then we'll get going ourselves.
Yep.
So, say thanks for watching, I suppose.
Thanks for watching.
And just say I've been Spotted Motors.
I've been Spotted Motors.
Brilliant. Thank you so much. Dylan.
Cheers, mate.
That's awesome. Hi, I'm Dylan.
And I'm Michael.
And welcome to
Spotted Motors.
Well, today we are at 10-year-old Dylan's house because he's going to show us his.
Cut! It's 11.
Oh, it's 11.
It's 11, Dylan, it's 11.
I'm reading.
Oh, right.